Hello. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to empower techniques. We believe that sharing of the knowledge is the key to enhance our skill and to grow us as the professionals. With this principle in the mind, we have initiated a series of the webinar conducted by the industry expert to give you all a scripts inside of the various domains. The topic of today's session is the software testing series, importance of the matrices in the software testing. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Avneet Singh, Product Development Manager, Engineer Technologies. Avneet has over 14 years of cross-functional experience in the software testing. He has a diverse experience in the working in the startup as well as large organizations like Aon Habits, Mahindra Satyam, Global Logic Equac, where the earned numerous award certifications. He has been instrumental in the setting up and the development of the highly cost-effective teams from the scratch of the software, quality testing, test automations, and the technical consulting. Currently, Navneet is working as a product development manager in Engineer Technologies and is responsible for the developing complex scalable system. He is accountable and a result-driven strategic professional who excels at the managing project, collaborating with the project teams, interfacing with the clients, and the developing technology to build successful solutions for the clients. So, without further delay, I introduce to all you our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Avneet.
Thanks for the introduction. I'm just sharing my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen now. All right. So the topic for the day is the importance of matrices in software testing. So I would be taking this session in a matter of 1 hour, and after this, whatever the queries you have, you can just send in your questions, and I would be able to respond to your all your questions. So starting with the importance of matrices in software testing. So here is the agenda for the day. We'll start with defining the software matrices. What are these matrices? Why do we actually require to measure software? And then what are the importance of matrices? And then we'll go through the entire matrices life cycle. And then we'll go over the types of various software testing matrices. In these types, we would have manual testing